Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the screensaver on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open the system settings. You can open the system settings by clicking on the system settings icon on the dock, or you can open the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo and then clicking on the system settings option here. Now on the left hand side, when you will scroll down, you will see a section called desktop and dock, and under that you will also see this screensaver option. If you don't see the screensaver option, just search for the screensaver option and you will find the screensaver option. Once you find that, just click on the screensaver option and then you will be able to see all these screensaver options here, right? Now in my case, this option is selected, which is Ventura, but I can also select any option from this list. So I can select random screensavers, album or art, or word of the day, or some message if I want. So let's say I want to just select this hello screensaver. I can just click on this hello screensaver. I can even preview it by clicking on this preview option, which is going to show me a small preview of this screensaver, how it's going to look like. And once I'm happy, I can just press on escape, or after some time it's going to close the preview, and whatever screensaver is selected, you will be able to see the screensaver name in front of this preview button, right? So right now this hello screensaver is saved. So this is how you can change the screensaver. But how and when the screensaver is going to start on your Mac operating system once you log out, or once you just lock your Mac operating system. So when you scroll down, you also have the option to show the clock with your screensaver. So when you toggle this toggle button, it's going to enable this option and it's going to show the clock when the screensaver is enabled. Now, if you want to check when this screensaver is going to be started, just go at the very bottom where it says go to the lock screen setting to manage when screensaver starts. So just click on lock screen settings, and here you will see the settings for the screensaver. So when will it start? So you can see the first option here, start screensaver when inactive for 20 minutes in my case, right? It also shows this warning which says display will sleep before the screensaver start, because I have also selected this option which says turn display off battery when inactive in 2 minutes, right? So before even starting the screensaver, my display will be turned off to save the battery. So to change this, I can just select, for example, 1 minute here, and this warning will go. So my screensaver will start after 1 minute of inactivity, right? So this is how you can fine tune when you want to start the saver, and you can also change this turn display off on battery when inactive. You can change the time here also, and once you are happy, your screensaver will start after that time, right? Make sure that this screensaver time is always less than this display off time. Otherwise, your display will be turned off first before even starting the screensaver. So this setting is important here. So that's how you can enable or change the screensaver on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.